Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful, especially if you're a Bank of Baroda customer. The title says it all. How to set up the new mobile Bob app for 2025. This app is a game changer for managing your banking on the go, with enhanced security features and a sleek interface. Whether you're new to mobile banking or upgrading, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you need to download the app. Head over to your device's App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Search for Bob Mobile Banking or Bank of Baroda app, and make sure it's the official one from Bank of Baroda to avoid any fakes. Once you find it, hit download and install. It shouldn't take more than a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. After installation, open the app. You'll see a welcome screen with options to register or log in. If you're a new user, select Register. You'll need to enter your basic details like your mobile number, which is linked to your Bank of Baroda account. The app will send you an OTP, one-time password, via SMS. Enter that to verify your number. This is a key security step, so double-check everything. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your login credentials. Create a strong password or PIN. Aim for something memorable but secure, like a mix of letters and numbers. For added protection, enable biometric login if your device supports it, like fingerprint or Face ID. This makes accessing your account quicker and safer. Now, link your bank account. The app will ask for your account number and other details. Double-check these to ensure accuracy. Once verified, you might need to agree to the terms and conditions. Read through them quickly if you can. After that, you're in. Take a moment to explore the dashboard. You can check your balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and even set up alerts for transactions. One quick tip. Always keep your app updated for the latest features and security patches. And if you run into any issues, the app has a help section or you can contact Bank of Baroda's customer support. There you have it, folks. Setting up the new Bob app is straightforward and will make your banking life easier in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.